This is Wonderland presents Peter Pan. Never stop dreaming at the Giardino del Cascate in Rome's EUR district. Set in over 40,000 square meters, the exhibition path brings to life the adventures of the boy who never wants to grow up through a fairy tale atmosphere, captivating visitors with a refreshed Neverland that invites everyone to become the author of their own tale. The immersive journey blends technology, scenic art, and imagination into a magical universe where every corner invites dreaming. Highlights include the pirate ship, the crocodile-shaped slide skivadrillo, the jungle roller tropical-themed skating rink, the galleon trampoline, and the pirate magic, a breathtaking performance by acrobats and actors suspended in the air.